All right, everybody, got a sweetheart of a ride here today. Love the color combo on this. The pink sun visors with the pink headliner. Not every day you see one of these, especially in factory colors. And what I really like about it is the modern drivetrain that it has. So it has a new Performance Crate 350 under the hood, a ramjet. I think that's rated at 351 horsepower. Don't quote me on that, but I believe that is what it's rated at. It's paired with a 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission. You can literally take this one, cruise at any place. So really cool, you know, do the classic styling with the modern drivetrain here. It even has some things like the molded door panels. I was looking, as subtle as that is, it really is nice just to have some place to rest your arm. Great car, beautifully restored, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, everything works. It's got the digital radio in there. Here's all your controls integrated. Tilt column. Got the modern cranks on the door panels too. But yeah, just get in and turn the key and go. It's got fuel injection on it. Yeah, real nice and clean on the bottom side and on the top side. Also has tubular upper and lower control arms, adjustable gas shocks, etc., etc. Sun up all the way around. See what she's got. All right, and just like that, up the highway speeds, no problem. Let me just adjust so I can see the gauges a little bit better. There we go. It's nice, it's got the tack up top there, that is working. Kind of a classic look in this new panel. I really do like, I mentioned overdrive. The indicator has been updated as well to indicate that it is in overdrive. The selector, showing a charge, all the gauges, temperatures coming up slowly. Just a great vehicle. I know our customers are really liking these, you know, the classic Chevys like this, especially. You know, Bel Airs 55s and 57s done up with the, you know, kind of resto mod feel to them, modern powertrain, you know, upgraded suspension, things like that. And yeah, this one's just a great ride all the way around, anywhere you look at her. Nice steering on it, good brakes. It does have the four-wheel disc all the way around. I don't believe that I mentioned that before. But yeah. Nice and comfortable on this reupholstered seat here. You know, you've got the textured kind of upholstery on there, which I really do like. It's got a great feel to it. Another little sensation when you get in this car. Always good to have a bench seat. Stay nice and close to your cutie. Lots of fun. Come test drive it yourself. If you'd like to. You know, there's nothing stopping you from doing that. Just let us know the day before. We are in a museum setting and do need to go ahead and get the cars out of their spots, of course. And our shop did go over this. Great car. They literally did a few minor tinkering things, like put some light bulbs in it and adjusted a switch, and that's pretty much it. You can get all the details on our website. But definitely check out the full description on volocars.com.